What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, we have Zanjama. You see me, I say Zanjama adjust the whole Lion Man situation where him become the face of what I call you know, take care of the woman them. You see me, where him ye like world a comfort or just like the image him a try to portray out there like say him all for women and this and that and ray. Zanjama say him of all person, you know what I mean, should not, you know what I mean, get no recognition for do anything nice like that for a female. Yeah, maybe get a big up, yes, but not become the face of like woman empowerment or something. Because every single one of them relationship them, him bring down him woman them and adjust with there, yeah. Him did a bring down the wife. You see me I say? So she don't know I walk one, but we are going to hear what she have to say, my people. Because you know, says Anjama ever beat the Lion Man, you know. Alright, fully so, because he think have to balance up, you know what I mean? Him can't get all the glory and not get none of the beating. You see me? So, it have to balance up. Also, my people, we have the youth on the website. We put out the video and something. Not really put it out, because I see it on Twitter first. So him come explain about the whole situation, because D did ask him to take it down. You know what I mean? But he must say it already out there. So why she ask him to take it down? So I two video right now out, my people. Can the video did out long time, but me not think me did see the one with the remote. Me not think me did see that. But me I pray, me I say, oh, out of everything, why the remote? But me understand the button them on the remote that does something. You see me? The button on the remote, yeah, that does something to it. You see me? So Candy and D have video out there, people. D want somebody sitting them where you spray upon like rusty like nut and bolts and pull it. You see me? Yeah, do you want some of that? Look good at everything still, you know, but you want some of that. So, you can run, go over mountain, go, you know, me not say no, go and watch a video. So here I go on my people. We also have Pretti and I beat D, and also Yannick get beaten and other people same way. So we are going to get in that also. You see me? We have Rosalie again. You see me, people? Because Rosalie now is up off a Jakes, you know. No time soon, you know. No, sir. So we are going to hear Rosalie have to say again. Seeing. And we have TJ, you know. Like him confront the Lion Man certain way. Because he must have some message from a female who used to link with the Lion Man, and me don't know what the message I say still in our people, but me don't know if the Lion Man he might try to tell for watch him mouth and mind what he must say about him, cause him have the message can kind of bring down the Lion Man, or the female where send him the message and everything, he might tell for watch fear mouth, because him still have the message him can bring down she, because him say she did attack some things must see in the comments or whatever. So yeah, we are going to do, you know, people. We are going to kick it off and get into it. And I think we have more things to share same also, so we could get tonight.
Yannick, what is 8 times 9?
Cause man on a subject in
Next. Rosalie, how many continents are there?
Continent. Not 7 continent, them have,
Well
sir.
done, Miss Triple. Who was the first man to walk on the moon?
Oh my God.
Take too long. Next, Neil Armstrong. Yannick, how many sides does a pentagon have?
7.
The answer's 5. Rosalie, which organ pumps blood around the body?
Lungs.
Heart. Okay, Miss Triple, what is the freezing point of water?
It freezes. So that's Celsius, friend. 60 degrees Celsius.
It's 0. 0. Miss Rosalie, Rosalie, you lose a point because you're not allowed to answer people's
You never tell
questions.
with that.
That's because you speed.
Alright, I didn't tell you, but I'll tell you from now.
Yeah, you never tell with that.
Yannick, how many minutes are in an hour?
No, that one that easy.
Next, took too long, the answer's 60.
60.
You took too long. Rosalie, which ocean is the largest?
Pacific.
Well done. Miss Triple, what is the capital of Spain? You took too long.
Madrid.
Oh, I'll give you that. Madrid. I was just about to cancel. Yannick, how many bones are in the adult human body?
25.
206. Rosalie, how many colors are in the rainbow?
6.
7. The answer's 7. Miss Triple. Miss Triple, what is the largest mammal?
Wheel.
Which one?
They humpback whale.
No, it's the blue whale. Yannick, what continent is Egypt in? The answer's Africa.
Oh, Africa for sure.
Come now,
Rosalie, how many degrees are in a right angle?
360.
90. Miss Triple, how many keys does a piano have?
24.
88.
Bumaclat.
Yannick, what is the opposite to ancient?
Asian. What is it?
Ancient, like old, ancient. What is the opposite?
New.
The answer's modern. Rosalie, how many centimeters are in a meter? 100. Triple, what is the main language spoken in Brazil?
Spanish.
Portuguese. Yannick, what is the highest mountain in the world?
Blue Mountain.
Mount Everest. All right. Rosalie, I started so I shall finish. Which country invented pizza?
Mexico.
Rosalie, Italy.
Exactly. So I know what I'm trying to say when they say Rosalie, but damn,
Okay.
I got a lot on my brain. This is bad.
I start with Rosalie. Rosalie, you scored 2. Miss Triple, you also scored 2. Yannick, I got something to tell you.
Me back at the class.
This is the back of the class. 20% at 200.
Yeah.
40.
Well done. Continent is Australia in?
South America.
The answer is Australia. So Miss Triple wins. However, we will be seeing you again, Miss Triple. You're in the finals to play against the people who are in the finals. I'm not going to tell you yet.
A wicked man later. So Cheryl, push out your blood clot, son. Post up the boy picture. You will see it on the FYP. You send him picture for put out. You Cheryl. Cheryl, put out your blood clot, son. Remember, my friend wants to get married. And him only want to marry to your son. Because what? Are you sit Toto in the back of your watch so and take up Toto picture, but Toto a clean boy. Toto a clean boy from the back in the blood clot days. Cause Toto a boy was scrubbing fingernail and him foot back feet long.
So GX woman sure she have son. She have son we assume her own because I think Rosalie friend we are different, you know. Assumers, you know. Is the way I think me and GX him assumers. And him act like it still, you know what I mean? So we not gonna put it past him, but more than if she have a son we assume her own too. Alright the people, I could get back in it and hear one more Rosalie have to say.
And Toto about being in a bathroom was when I asked about that boy there, me can't tell us that boy that have what when they cleaning the clean feel clean this other. What is this other name? The one we have to clean. Him have that. I said what the rag be him body don't wash him foot. And that him have. Me now ask you, I tell you, if I'm at 30, me know, we don't run joke here so with that boy there. When you come and see some of the boys them in a mic and run joke, Cheryl come here so good. You are worried about me if Akim a blood clot fuck me. If I'm blood clot last year October, you meet Jakes a blood clot St. Lucia. You and Jakes a fuck? You bill out to Jakes, you worried about if me and Akim a fuck. You and Jakes a fuck? Are you bill house? When you're ready, you say yan him not there, and then when you're ready, you say yan him there. Make it make sense. Akim supposed to be a gallus in a blood clot. I'm a clean boy. Jakes cannot afford to be a gallus because wax and canal name ears a jump round for blood clot America. Who want dirt alert? Who want look at Miss Puppet and Bowers? Clean man can be gallus. Dirty man not supposed to be. I hate when the boy them dirty want be gallus. He make me uncomfortable. Cause you dirt alert. Look how this here. Look how long you there for in a buy cocky. You get it yet? You worry about me, if man a fuck me. Look how long you there for in Jake's fuck you yet, Cheryl. You worry about if man a fuck me. I know Jake's not fuck you. I know you not get for boy him out. So pussy Cheryl, I know you not get for boy Jake's. I ain't tell you go about Jake's. You go fuck after me. Me not go fuck after you. So me always gonna be a top girl for you. And that you now know. George Warmer, the junior. Out of order. You're willing for run, go for touch a picture, for post up, touch a picture. One to Jace brother was suck him cocky. We draw down him knees close. Only can't find him, them long a Greenwich farm. And my best to come out, and the wrong best to come out. You ready for go post up blood clad? My best picture. One to Jake's brother blood clad picture. Oh, can't find it yet. When you ready in a box of class, just the one jump in my head, you could jump in a age and blood clad head. When you fuck off your pitney. So good boy got beard. I never have so much strength in front of you. And then allegedly, draw along your picnic clothes. And allegedly, I put fuck argument to her 11. Are you willing to jump in on my head? You have sense? You have sense? I will go over the world and you come back. Jakes, me I gotta tell you this personal. I'm the first girl who bow you out. I'm me turning a suck pussy. Till I grow for like it. Now make you go along with that chapter there, please. So you can't tell me say me stink. I remember me now walk at a life on. I'm me first boy out. I run up on you. What's what I say already? But you know come for my bestie. Cause my bestie a clean boy, something you don't know about. My bestie a clean boy, something you don't know blood clot about. And Shirley's a careless, baeless, man tailless, faultailess. What look at dirty whore. Because look how much nice and upon the app. Then me could have really settled for one man with the whole and blood clot ears. Juke up like strainer. Me could have settled for one blood clot man. When him come here, him never come on TikTok live, come look like him be it. Me could have settled for a man with the whole and mouth can and chum fat like him have epilepsy. Me could have blood clot. Me could have there find a country a blood clot man where in him a white clothes it dirty. Like foot clot. Surely enough go for ambition, man. No come about girl. Yes, I'm a mucus I take up. When my heart can spit up cool, I take it up blood clot. Surely we I can argue with you, Rose? No. When me go toe, I take pick up. You can argue with girl? When me go toe, I that you pick up. You can argue with girl? Ramp with me, my bestie. Cause if my man they find I want a blood clot man for my too. We are wait for your blood clot son. Release him out. We are wait for him. Show him out now. EMP0WER. Make him suck good ride off good and turn him in a maid. Show out your son. Show out your suck cocky son. Show him out. She go out your soft cocky son, should be out. We wait upon him. Because a married proposal can go on until a blood clot son arrive. The ramp with blood clot, yes so. They got to 40 days and 40 nights soon. If you no call, you see him name you so carve out. If you no call him name again. And this time I go deep. And I pay blood clot. I pay missile me I shoot. Come on, oh, you have a talk about my blood clot bestie. Wow, married man. When blood clot Jakes make Robinson suck him would live up in a drunk again. And him brother. The big fat one from over the big fat one from over blood the big fat one from over blood clot river and a batty man. Omar a batty man. The one who live in Canada, a batty man. The one who draw along in picnic clothes, a batty man. Him a should look a girl own and Jakes par with them. So what Jakes make Jakes be? Jakes can't in a batty store in the body because the whole of Jakes brother them a batty man. And them genetics grow by genes. Make a reason. Remember one time the one the Rasta wanted over there to have him blood clot mouth. Remember them they come catch him. Remember them they go catch him. Them go catch him in a bed. And then put blood clot, blood up, underwear in a and not even underwear, blood up. We call it underpants in a blood clot draw. And so Marcia tell me nice scheme. So the one for over blood clot, River and a batty man. The dreadlocks one a batty man. The nice one him gay, but me like him. Anthony, me like Anthony, me not cuss Anthony, me like Anthony, me not cuss him. Cuss Anthony, Rose don't cuss Anthony. Leave Anthony alone, me not cuss him. Me like him, no, me not cuss him. I swear to God. If Anthony, me say nothing bad boy up on the live, hush. Me apologize. Me really like Anthony, me like him for true. Me like him. Me like him, me not go tell him, me not go cuss him. Alright, leave that one over train line. The Rasta one, the local suck pussy one, the local suck pussy suckled one from a blood clot river ton. And the nasty one I draw on your blood clot picnic clothes. The one was suck your hood. Remember you tell me say Andrew, which is Robbie's son, the one suck your blood clot hood in a yard. I mean, no, all that a blood clot occur. I remember say Andrew a Batman, I mean to see him each up at night time. Run a blood clot royal. Talk to me now, you speaking to me anymore? Let me do this over here, so. Suck on, yam posting. Let me do it over here, so. I remember you like Batty Wall. Let me do it over here, so. Let me do it over here, so. Yeah. Yeah. I remember the one of the girl them you fuck it them after boy you out. Cause your boy will love suck pussy. So I know Alia boy out. Nessa boy, no me first boy out, so I can't put them before me. Rosalie boy out. My mother boy out. My sister boy out. My auntie them boy out. Claudia boy out. Alia boy out. Nessa boy out. And Cheryl would have attempted to boy but too she retarded, she not see it. Hey, Cheryl have a look blood clot retarded look, you know. The retarded woman boy, yo. I hate woman that me know about you in a drakes. And the rest of them will walk and hide and suck me no know about in a scheme. Cause when I blood clot time them, they did a call for all charm good about you. That I most mama good about you. And most friend them where you buy pussy from good about you. You love suck pussy. You're more bad. That's why it's fraught is so. Some of them know, oh, you want to come argue with people, boy. They shut your mouth. And Musi mama about you. Musi friend them about you. When I time look like you're sassy, that is that sass about you. You walk and eat down the whole of Seaview Garden. Kingston no watch at 11. No boy will walk and down the whole of Kingston 11 can argue with me. You must go every blood clot under every woman, every dog, every fly, I look for them. So when you over here talk, shut your mouth. Not to you let me the last time you get way. Shut your blood clot mouth. Come in me and you know you're top boys. You're nasty like dog. Yeah, can you imagine one look of self-fuck girl about you? You must man discharge or she have a suck out back. Who not talk about? Eh? We are talk about. You know what man discharge or suck out back, Jakes, you come by here like your blood clot, man. Lift up. I go out with the American blood clot ATM card. I'm gonna put you in one corner and tell her, don't come here, so say that even my bestie. And if I Shanta, she dead. Cause we are pack her up, wrap her up. We're not even a soap her up. And send her off like what Brazil get. We are girl when a Brazil take up lady. Don't follow, you know. Don't follow. Go on home. Go on home. Go home. Go on put nobody here so. Righty. You worry about me a man and fuck. When me can say at any given moment, make you have sense, woman. Your livelihood investment where you put in, where you get feed. You come go like they are blood clotties. What the house where you build for your Batman so you have live your yard? What the house where you build for yourself? And plus the amount of money where you send girl for trace me. You can't make girl class me. Where girl can look set to blood clotting every day, I look fabulously. Like our flowers we are blossom. My name Rose. My fabulous like our flowers we are blossom and always a blood clot bloom. Me look like my mash up. Me look like my mash up or crashing or somewhere. I mean, I want to walk up people for trust me, I look pound. Because I can wrap you up. Where the house where you make your Batman blood clot, so you have catch up in your blood clot. Underneath your bed, like a chimney. Show it. And when the blood clot, you show your bank account and show the loan them where you borrow. For make Jakes feel like him a smaddy. How you make Jakes feel like him a things, you know? Because Jakes don't walk nowhere. He must have put in the work over here. I'll show her and come to her. Big stinky girl looking at him out. Your mouth a chum fall, like you just come out and see that you want to argue with girl. Your mouth a chum fat like I just come out of epilepsy, blood clot seizure. Them don't turn up on your blood clot back. Use a stinking boot of your blood clot face. Rub up with skeleton time. Put if you stand up on your rock back with the mouth still a fraud. Pussy. Ramp with gal boy. Yeah. Ramp with me. But me a shoot me na miss. Let me another cigarette for me. Fab soap mountain, another cigarette for me. Remember me, bow you. Yeah? It's me, bow you. So the way you're going to the world, you come back around and surely kiss her. My body, I got still left by your tongue at 12 years, do it for. You don't digest that already. And if you belch it, rose, oh wow. You can't get that taste buds off of your tongue. You can't get to your digestive system. That large knife I'm for 12 years now. Call it a here now. Call it a call it a call it a call it a don't play up with me. You're too enough. You like a run out a bite and a yam up a blood clot save like everybody has scratched a beard. Cause the boy say, hey, suck pussy boy automatic I'm waste, you can't open your mouth. Remember I pay people friend you not see you. Yeah, and then your brother them walk with the kind of body now walk with Bowcat. Real bad man now walk couldn't count our bows. And Batman everything in one. What you talk about? The one put me. How when that sneak way when
My people are so GX are going. So you tell me say GX are swim around my people. Me don't see that tonight. Me not go tell you no like. Me have to see proof. Rosalie been chatting to us sitting about this money and our people. And a GX we go serve him a cease and desist, you know. Yeah man, just like how Yanni can serve cease and desist. GX need to serve Rosalie a cease and desist. To stop bring him down and tarnish him name them type of way there. You understand me? Make people we're gonna go over pretty down there now.
Did I go sneak way to make blood clot Robinson suck your blood clot hood me never did it. Me go ask Claudia about it. Me want somebody see me ask him about it too. As so Jakes tell me. Remember one night I left you and I the blood clot and go in. And I mean no one out there do.
Go watch a blues, how to turn on a man. God this, you look stiff. Girl with do body dog. Parry. Get a pole put in your room. Go practice. You can't, you look good. Me not fuck to you know, but listen to what me I say. Being more, you know, you too, bitch, me don't know. Girl, you too daddy. Yeah, you know daddy. Yeah, girl, jump on it, you know daddy. Hey, like, girl, play some music next time when you go do a video like that. Play a song. Song boots, son of girl. You know what song me use and boots, girl, for give me head? Then, freaky girl, freaky girl. Love you. Mama cry for me, thump in her mouth. Simple as that. Freaky girl and them girl, let me know. Tell me, Mama cry the boy, who that don't show you, I want to come on me. Hold in her mouth. You see me? Get some music, D, and get your momentum up. You idiot, bigo. Look how you're cute. Look how you're sexy. You feel the brawling things. Hold on for the titty them so. Twirl your tongue around your mouth and get something and suck off and red. Grab yourself in your ear and bring back your neck and, you know what I mean, and sexy up your bumbo clot thing, bigo. Get some milk and chew up on yourself. Get some water and chew up on yourself, girl. Chew some milk in a them place and make you run down. I could say yes. Yeah, you got a boring no pussy clot, girl. Not like that for you, man. Who that number one buckler 5? Eh? Your milk. It's a turn on situation. Honey. Them thing there. rub in my front, you know what I mean? Get the honey. Even when I'm a honey pack them, take your honey pack. Say, baby, look at this. Lay down by your back. Open the honey pack. Drizzle the honey pack in your crutches. And you don't know what I'm going to do after you see it. But me just a say, learn to turn on, Bigo. You know? Sure. Let's go. Who there 5? Amy, speed palm mackerel, not for the business, my friend. I explore, I love it. Woman, I'm a joy. Yannick. Yannick, I love baby. Yannick, me have a blood clot song for you. Me have a song for you. Because you, Yannick, will tell blood clot we say. And you are the final lap for world, dog. Yannick, you did very hype, you know, Yannick. Yannick, you did hype. Me not gonna tell you no lie. We not gonna brush you under the rug. Like say you never blood clot hype. You was very fucking hype. So we never did expect nobody to take all for your blood clot, man. We never expect the likes of for your man. For blood clot gone. We never expect that none tal. Okay. You make a girl come. Make your girl come pick you up. Yannick, you really make a blood clot girl. Get your man to call her up. Yannick, Jesus Christ, the way you did round there, go on, Yannick. Yannick, you breathe for me, get the boy every bumbo clot thing. Me never expect say you make one girl come for. Look pan blood clot, love baby. Love baby look like saying a proper blood clot education, blood clot well. Right you now, love baby have bumbo clot, world dog in a world of fucking trouble. So till him on a world dog again. Because you make one girl call him up after all a blood clot that. Yannick, you did have your own yard for hold it down. We can't blood clot tell you say yo, you fi control world dog. You make a dirty girl like she. Come in your house, come mash you up, make your man straight. You understand me? Your man himself go straight, Yannick. And you really stand for that, Yannick. You really did. You dropped the ball for the one here. You should have beat up love, baby. Yes, Yannick, you cannot fight. Yannick, and that's why girl par with 4 other girl. Yannick, you cannot war. Yannick, yes, if you did have 3 more blood clot girl, round bumbo clot, you, let me tell you what, you know did for beat up blood clot love baby. Loyal baby, love baby, whoever the pussy clot you want name. Love baby did forget blood clot beat up. Loyal baby did forget beat up. I bet you say if she did blood clot have 2 friends. Yannick got friend 2 girl. Pull up down a blood clot. Taboo and fuck up mama. The time you did it, pull up down a blood clot sitting there and look for blood clot. Go suck back your mama dog shit. Why? Why? Good morning, evening, tap no. Me see you. Me love you too. Go suck back for your mama. Yeah. You gone in a sense, gone look for your man. A blood clot braff with loyal baby. You idiot, Yannick, you're supposed to go in our sons, go use loyal baby face and mash up your blood clot dance. You did figure take loyal baby face and clear off all I liquor them off my blood clot table. You there in there when a woman's fed up, no matter how you mad, and it's too late to talk about, your blood clot go in there like R. Kelly. You should have gone in there like Lady Saw. You see me? See how see
The people, you so pretty than I say, what Yannick say, guess what go on with that? A real dog put in her head. You see me I say, real dog is a man him love talk. You see me I say, and you saw him talk about him future, him talk about him past. Those are the two favorite subjects for him. Future and past. And him want to make the future brighter than the past. And right now I'm time for second long. I feel him talking them there. You see me, so when you see how he come out and say all of them thing there, our world dog tell her say, and our world dog talk about him live. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think, my people. Make you watch some more.
Let her tell you walk out. Walk out, make me bust up your mouth. You come out in me man and come out, you boss. You blood clot idiot. You should have pop a fight. You make loyal baby talk off her blood clot mouth. You drop your ball, you need. Look how tie you catch him on him blood clot flat foot. And you not do him nothing. You should have bust him out in a dance. You know, listen to the right song them. You know about I want to wear some girl study around here. See them argue over man with the match. Girl, sissy let her tell you walk out. Walk out, make me bust up your mouth. Violence! He reached this, a girl. You don't see it. You never see it, girl. You gonna see it, and this is loyal, baby. You must be mad. I took kick loyal, baby, if you get in her pussy. Sure, girl, walk out and then take your man, girl.
Think, right?
You don't fight because for your relationship. You never love her, dog. You make loyal, baby, come on, God. Get wet.
And that woman, them well,
take your man and
that they run up and down time. Woman, job and
you know,
just seek a partner for just live with them future life and do whatever there is that partners do. You see me, I say, like the plans them Yannick have, Yannick have no over the board plans. You see me, I say, wait, last it up, and them are planning out like this man. This and that are rare. You see me, feel like it, just like our word dog, I full her head up. I tell her this and I tell her that, come the mind of the man way she used to talk to before word dog, you know. Remember, that the man they don't
hold the baby contact for your man, you see that now? You see that now? That Shanti, that Shanti sing that song there as your son. That Shanti has pretty as a blood clot. You are head now to sing that song. You forget your ass beat too, you know. And then your song you gotta sing. And then make you contact them man, brother. And dirty pussy fan you go over there. And she, that's all she good for. Have you seen them and take people man when you want blood clot, she. All I want to give up with this music every day. And this send little dirty gas man them in a people. Oh, Yannick, how you not kick them loyal baby yet?
Woman know say they are
Yannick,
not like.
How come you not kick them loyal baby yet?
Enough of them know them hurt because them just want when them feel like say them deserve. Every woman want a happy home. Most of them still, because you have one they will run up and down. But you feel like say the happy home you need to do with the word as a youth with she as a top man certainly. You know what I mean? But yes, we don't want to
you just say pass this and this is some blood clot not going a Lambo truck. But clot him in a mouth. Not because remember the loyal baby them a thief, you know. For your anti-thief pot. A pot loyal Jesus Christ them a clutcher. Remember say in a Walmart them a thief. Then got a thief in a Ross. Then thief in a blood clot 5 and below. You really make some clutcher. You want a beating to Yannick. Yannick got thumpy all loyal baby in your mouth. You hear what she say? If your boyfriend again, call me up. And that Tashanti say. And the whole of them girl you take on the man, them go beat them up. Tashanti, you better hope you really not take the man around there. They will beat your ass, you know. But if your girlfriend again a problem, call me up. Me go tell you this. You know, go on. You, Yannick, you make blood clot. Yeah, baby, get to it. I'm going to tell you this now. You fuck up a girl race. Who don't give you a blood clot 10? If you see you and 2 of your friends, them or 3 of your friends, them pull up on the girl. Pull up down a taboo and say, what's up? What's up, baby? What's up? It's up. Every time we got thumb loyal in a bumbo clad face. You make that the little girl there. How you do? How long can you fight? Bring your friend them. Run him over with your car. Something. You can't make loyal baby right on our story, but for cease and desist. If you're gonna do some fake shit like that, I'm going to have to take the real legal actions because my name has been called. Yalla, you contact people, man. Liar, baby, because suck out your body wall. You try to be educated so much, but you pretty dancer and dancer every day. Dirty liar, baby, go suck out your mother. Thinking, girl, and you going to people in relationship, cranny bitch. You come over here and play a sympathy card, and you in the feelings. Go suck your mother, girl. Go jump in your mother and chew Yannick no beat up your bumbo clad. You think World Dog could have saved you from a real mad girl? World Dog could have never had the same Lamborghini we all use and run over your blood clot. The same one where you take picture with hand. I went out to your workplace, you see Lambo truck, and you think a blood clot World Dog, you open your hand and run and go, baby, I missed you. And you see that turn and lick down your pussy hole, dirty blood clot girl. You go in a girl yard and then want to come put a story about fake cease and desist. I'm gonna have to take the real legal action. You know what I'm thinking, Bradmouth girl, I get pan me nerve. Liar, baby, go suck out your mother. Liar, baby, go suck out your mother now, dog. Liar, baby, bossy, go suck out your mother now. Go suck out your mother, dog. Go suck. Me say Yannick, yeah. Yannick, me say Yannick, what is wrong with you? I'm brown you too, bro. You too pussy clad, bro, now what? Go fight. Go fight, Yannick. All if you don't want blood clot World Dog, go fight for your pride, girl. You think like you can diss me, so? I mean, a thumb down that. Yeah, man. Me and that a guardian. Me say go fight. Go and go fight. And this year in a fight over hood. Go thump girl in a pussy clot mouth, Yannick. In bright and facey. You, Yannick, you just make a girl get to you and then make lion baby just attack off her mouth. Lion mouth should have been bust up and 2 teeth then drop out and blood clot mouth. Right now, lion should have there grown and look for 2 and blood clot teeth. Them, you idiot? You mad? You don't see my teeth in her girl mouth. She want to release some of them the teeth there. The zip where she have as a blood clot mouth. Go lick out 2 of them blood clot. She not miss 1. If you lick out 2 of them pussy clot teeth them right now, lion good at thank you. You know him mouth tight? Like what you can't know your ear too tight. You lion need to make a fucking bitch get where. It's a waste of time. You know how long would I call me? I say, Yannick, when we are going to taboo, I say, girl, me not going to do it, you know, because me don't want nobody see me a fight over. We are going to fight. Girl, tell me a girl shift. Make me go down there, go thump him in your mouth. Me, if you have one friend who go boots you, Yannick. Me go boots you, make we go fight and go to jail. That me say, I better we go to jail. I better we fight and go to jail than shame, Yannick. Yannick, I better we fight, go to jail and go name some bologna sandwich and come out with dignity. Can I make girl run up and down and go like them bad, so? You mad? In a girl mouth, you crazy? Girl go fight and go to jail. And the only way you can come back, Yannick. Yannick, you cannot make loyal win. A whole heap of good woman lose them man like this. Gone are the days where girl get them face up, boy. Why? We don't know. As the girl say, if your girlfriend a give you a problem, call her up. At that blood clot, she's a Tasha and Tisiso. Alright. Alright, baby. What is it?
Don't underestimate me.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Because pretty that you know I will get in for Hakeem, you know, my people. You see what I say? Yo, personally still my people, me not lie. Like, Hakeem and figure it out kind of dressing, cause that pretty that I got talk about. You know what I mean? Like, me understand them type of dressing, but me could wear them there something there. Some of them. Like figure it out, him dressing, yeah, him have some rare, but Hakeem now, me feel like say, me see some things where him beat a mother beat and or him beat it that way there. But for the most part, like the big spongy shoes them, it no matter if I Louis, although him come and tell say boy, I know the real Louis. It no matter if I the real Louis, me not tell you no lie. Me not think me can pull it off. Like I just know my style. Like me don't know if one day me get up and say, yo, you know so me I go try out that beat here and put on the car. So me stay enough time, me see some things where me see a man with beating and me I say, yo, me don't think me can style that for beat it feel look. You know what I mean? And then me just get up one day and just boom and say, you know what? Me know me can match it up with you know. But for the most part, them big shoes me never partake in none of them. Me not like them. You see me I say, me not like big shoes. Me like shoes nice, you know what I mean? Neat, comfortable. Me know say them comfortable, but them too big for me can't style them. So, me could hear pretty than I have to say.
I don't want to underestimate him. This is some nice fucking shoes.
Wanna see where me I go with this? Do you realize where I am about to take this shit? Car Hush Puppy Junior this, you know. Well on.
Yo, the comments them kill me over you.
Every time him come with him like a shame laugh. Him like shut the fuck up. Shut it up. Shut it up, right? You say you can't buy blood clad Louis Vuitton, Burberry, and Gucci. Louis, it bumbo clot easy. You come and shame your pussy clot self, daddy. Every minute you come in and your Japan most wanted them. Pussy hole. Every week. You're there in the Thailand most needed. What the fuck you think? With it blind? Nigga, there is no fucking Aventura in Jamaica. There's no Pearl Harbor. There is none of that shit. There is no Gucci outlet. No Louis Vuitton outlet. There is no outlet at all. Jamaica don't have no outlet at all more than downtown. Korea. China. Japan. Them bumbo clad place there. Them make a little blood class sitting them with the what left bumbo clad material them and send you out come get pussy clad uno. When the pussy clad, every day you come out look like a fucking idiot. Every day me beat your pussy. You never look good yet. Go suck your mama clothes them you go take off daddy. Daddy, me say you're the worst looking blood clot claims a rich boy. We don't have money to wear them stuff. No, bumbo clot, put your sauce where you can't reach it, pussy. Boy, where you can't wear. I see them thing make your fuck snow. You don't know if you wait your turn, that's why your body a burn. You understand me? Don't jump the fence. You bumbo class shut a go tear. You shut tear party. Where you going to Hush Puppy Junior? This your blood class set here on your foot. What you doing with Rosalie on your foot? Like you're Dizzy Wheelander style. That big bumbo clad puffer shoes that you have. The comments them kill me. No nigga. You kill we. Take off them pussy clots sitting there. You shame yourself. Louis Vuitton, the whole place you are shame. You need to stop put on them one wallop of blood clot windbreak and them wallop of big shoes here. You look like a fucking idiot. What kind of Hush Puppy Junior this you have on? Bitch, Hush Puppy not even hard for buy. You can't hold a Hush Puppy for all 2 bills. What the bumbo clot you are? You can't go right now for Rush Puppy fall off. You can't go in a Rascal find one for $30. With the bumbo clat, you're going to this a frag bumbo clat boot ya. Favor your big mouth. You really go blood clat. Get one shoes. What favor your suck with mouth. You must know by this gear. Who no dirty body man look go like who no know fashion, you know. Go suck out your mother, you know. That is not fashion. Go take off your whole blood clat clothes them boy. Why you come out and embarrass yourself? You look like a fucking idiot every time. What do you see in your one wall for whole close blood clot government them? Look like when Taiwan blood clot close line bust down. Move your pussy hole, man. You know no style. You know no blood clot ray. You never look good yet. Me say if somebody ever show me which part this a broad heel back mouth bumbuck wall you look good. Father God, if I lie me I tell beat me. Me say man look bad you fuck. Watch out.
Mrs. Man is way. I want both that them under that. As somebody comment at night, like them a correction. Why shit?
Boo! Boo! All I feel like a joke, them a boo me cricket. Be a cricket! Be a pussy clad cricket! None of your joke them stiffer than me dildo them. Not even me strap when me have in a draw we can't dead. Me say your joke them coming like a dildo. Me say every time you talk out of your blood clot mouth, me say we are try find you. You have a blood clot make up your face like you're tense for shit. Yeah, you're alone a laugh. You are not funny. The only thing funny boy you are the fuck where you have.
Hey, my people, me not lie still. Me did have to go search for a boat. Me did have to go search for see where boat look exactly like with people. Me not like it, 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 me not like it. Me not like it boat. The boat too big with people. You know like that black shoes there, I think Lando have one of them, and Valiant, Missy Valiant did wear one. I think it's a Balenciaga. The black Balenciaga, leather Balenciaga with the big oversize. Me, what me I doing that? Me no want no, me like shoes when need for my foot still. You know what I mean? But you have some people where it's like, alright, me feel like say, you see the people them with too much option when it come to clothes and something, like them don't know what you really wear, and sometimes you want to make a entrance certain way. You want to look different from the crowd, so you gotta pick out some pieces where, you know what I mean, where you're not gonna look like everybody. Me understand that part there, and we feel like at that he might go for, but it both me people know sir, and it too big. You see me I say, me can't style shoes that too big. Like, it fit you alright, but they make it oversized. They make it feel. Me don't know if you style them there. You see me? Make me know all the thing.
Fuck blood clots, no. What you doing at them one wall if I lick out your mother clothes, yeah? You come out every day look like blood clot idiot. Are you officer? What kind of dress code you really looking for, bitch? I want to know. I wanna love you, you bumbo clad waist, man.
You them people are there, but they call it real life, brother.
Only reason why you buy it to it resemble the amount of shit them will drop out a snow batty hole when you impale him. Dirty batty man, only a fag like you would have see one dude residue shoes like that and find it fucking wearable. You know, yeah, one bitch. That they do the shoes, that's a do the boat. That is a this right here. See it? Sewage. That's right.
But look, man, bro, when I see that shoes there,
he dog wear it one time and he Louis rub out time Migla already. Father God fix it. If you want, brother, if you want to buy Louis Vuitton, you beg every day. Every day you wanna get up and beg just to go buy the one well if a fake clothes them you wear once. Once to blood clot. Why you go me one wear? Them you come like you can't store white t-shirt them. One beat. Can you know as you wash out the shirt in neck stretch out? Them you one beat sitting you on the two enough. You not try to be something that you're fucking not. Nigga, you not that. Whatever the fuck you think you is not that. You're not even close to it, daddy. Take off heap of fake clothes and I wonder how you're not blood clot. All know me not see a mildew. The whole of them the clothes where you put up on yourself, your soul start a mill blood clot Joe. Me pussy clot.
Could have left it alone. Like it.
No, me believe say you fuck Rose. If you say you see that, and you couldn't left that alone, nobody can tell me nothing why you gonna take up that the blood clot 2-door gate there. You take up this big bitch, this big over exhausted blood clot big LG 2-door fridge. Now we see your fucking appetite. Your appetite is just big and ugly. You like that. You like them big chaka looking thing there. You don't like nothing neat and nice. Just like how you like blood clot Snow with the one for cocky ear them. Mr. Snow cocky ear them grew up in a neck to blood clot. And be a hood here you play with pussy hole. That's why you see go take up that they do the residue shows there. Then Mickey are going to one store and see that. I say Mickey I left it. Me I left you right when me see it. You must be mad. This look like me have to duffel bag on my foot in. Me look like me have to go your bag. Get to put it in the bag. Put this go yard bag. Spend that shit. You look like you have to bumbo clad go yard bag for your pussy clad foot. Then me can go to one store and see this so fucking hideous. I said me can left it. That is fucking hideous, boy. Then you know the style, man. That feel left. Most definitely that feel left. You're mad. You're sick in your fucking head. Must be mad.
It's a fucking nice shoe.
Put back that shit. Put back that shit. Put back that shit. You should have never spent no bands on that fucking shoe. You should have never spent $1. Put it back, put it back, put it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it. Go bring back it, bumbo clot. You fucking old idiot. You swear that we were gonna say, oh wow, it's so cool. Hey buddy, hey, Connor, where did you get it from, huh Connor? That look like something Connor would wear. Because white people cheap. Them go in a blood clot 5 and below and see all that. No, them take you up. I hit Connor wear every day. Okay, Connor. Okay, Connor. Move your pussy hole. Go dump that in a garbage. You don't have any style, bitch. I don't know. You need to come in my closet, dog. That shit is a dollar store fucking sleeping shoes, bruh. Nigga, you went outside in some sleeping shoes, my guy. Barry, who wears sleeping shoes outside? Thank you, my love. Who wear fucking sleeping shoes outside, bro? House shoes. Bro. Dumb as fuck. Boy, wait, go put that. What are those? You met me if I said that. What are those? What the fuck are those, man?
Got the truth. Do you really like it?
No. No, the fuck we don't. Nigga, you ain't gonna, you not force nothing upon me. Go and go stuff that up in a rose quicksand. Go and go clear out on the stink rose and push it up in her. Go and, that figure stuff and glass in a quicksand where you're not blood clot play now. Move your pussy hole. No, we do not like it. Right, chat? Move that bumbo clot. Move that. Any man where you see come in front of your dress up, girl, run. It's a faggot. It's a faggot. Me say you have to run. Where you go with man look like that, girl? Is that idiot? Came home to who? Which one I mother them? And which one I father? Where? You will bring that home to your father? Someone to come over here, so I want to talk to you about something. What is it you're bringing in the yard? What you bringing at the yard? Them you seen thing. Look what, but look, Jesus Christ. Me say I hate the blood clot, la boo boo, your pussy clot. This marble slice said body blood clot, boy. You don't like it, chat? No, we don't like it.
Remember say, me have some stick for some foot.
Jack Carroll, go suck out your mother and move him now.
So when they did like this, me foot them are gonna look maga.
You're a malnourished body, man. When man a fuck man, I say draw them down. Notice here the body man them pan the app where you see a fuck man. Notice how them a suck down slowly but surely. Uno name AIDS. You know why a fool no look sitting that one walk around with. Uno walk around with that nice little abbreviation there. So it's a uno walk around with AIDS. A fool.
Hey, my people, me not lie still, as I said before, I know my style that. You know what I mean? And if, say, like, me see people start wear the oversized tees them and them start wear the baggy jeans them or something again. You know what I mean? Something we've been passed through from way back. You see me? I mean, I tell my people, you see them there, when them used to wear in a like, let me see, three or two in a them region there. Me no remember that when they stop wear to that. But me I tell her, me used to style them. Yeah man, what do you man? I used to my style that man. I ask anybody when baggy jeans used to wear and big shirt. Me kill it man, me I tell her. When it come to that, me style all Air Force One and the Dickies them and a nice white t-shirt. Yo, one time I buy a nice, I buy a Air Force One, see? White. And a white Dickies. And a white shirt. I mean, I tell you, see, the double XL them, you know. It was a 1X. I think it was a 1X. I mean, I tell my people, when one of my niggas see me night, they must say, dog, yo, it look like, see, me have to go try the style, because them used to wear them suck-on pants, you know. You know what I mean? Them used to wear them suck-on pants well taken, you know. That time I beat some Dickies, some big jeans and sitting. But me know if you style it. You see me? But me see them are coming back with it, you know. I mean I think me could have make a left out the skinny jeans and the nice fit jeans them for go back to that style. No sir. Don't do that the style. Me think them have to fit me nice and neat. You see it? So me understand enough man them thing, you know, cause everybody want them own signature style and them want to be different, them don't want to be like the crowd. I mean never want to be like the crowd still. You know what I mean? But me can find my way if you look different, same way without me in a too much of the ray and blay. But let me know what you think.
Uno thing, a Batman thing from the creation of AIDS. Uno alone have it. So you see, Uno suck down like bag juice. When you look on the other Batman pan the app, you see him a suck down a sub Batman. And on a little foot you have, man. And the blood clot AIDS. Where your blood clot have a rotten out your dirty Batman hole where you have. Chew your play up in a doodoo. It a suck down your body. You understand me, I say? You is a little body sucker, you understand?
Louis V. cousin. What is...
Me fuck many cousins in life. But why would I got Louis cousin? You don't think people are gonna know? That not depend on Louis site. No way a Louis Vuitton we can't see that. No way I in a few closet alone, pussy. Anyway, me and my girl, me clean your pussy clot. Me I look better than me girl enough time. Cause I'm a chacha boy. I be a chachanist me go with. You, me boy, that not depend no Louis site. Go and go look the site them there for everyone. All of your clothes them where you wear, we know where you get them. In a some of the barrel downtown, dog shit. You go in a them people that look a place in a blood clot. China most wanted, Japan most wanted, Korea most wanted. And that's so you buy for your blood class it them. A Korea Louis, a China Gucci, a blood, you all of them they sitting there. You fucking labubu, big head bumbo hole. Yeah, come in the shape like one T-square, move your pussy hole. You never look good yet. Stop using money by the heap of fake clothes, Batman. Go and go buy good clothes, put by your naked, dirty Batman body. You fucking malnourished bitch. Every day you get up, boy, you want to be this fashionista. Bitch, go sit down. What a disgrace. I want beat you know. Yeah, man. To blood clot workless, man. He? Wanna take up this begging full time? Low people in pocket. Look how much hairs on the prank, on the prank, on the prank. All on like a fuck blood clot prank them. Be a fuck crew now blood clot do. None of food sitting there never nice. You look a blood clot bisexual boy. Boy, you near image. Dolly Dolly look like I'm your butch. Look like you like man long time image. Look how you go boy and then the boy you come and cry for money. I cry boy. About people money. What the prank money than the YouTube money the whole I wanna take up this Hennessy drinking. Wanna drink out the whole of the YouTube check. Wanna boast and hype up on a thinking frozen blood clot self on paper. No, come for pay a light bill for $500,000. Half a wish blood clot million. I want a blood clot broadboard cross on the head corner. How wanna make on a light bill reach so far? How JPS a cut off people light bill for $5,000 and make on a gun all the way up there, so. Got thief light pussy hole. What this bumper club bleach out, boy? Who wanna get money for stay bleach out? Who wanna get money for stay bleach out? Wanna think bleaching cheap? Bleaching not cheap. Wanna come and try choppy paper them? Here's half a bleaching cream and go pay on the blood clot bills them. Two big worthless bumper clot on a big pussy waste blood clot boy. Image go get a mash shake and go chop down one piece of bush and go blood clot farm me down. Go and go get some sweet pepper, some cucumber, some pepper. Go and go plant up one place pussy hole. You come over here, you're big. You're a big man looking at yourself, pussy. Looking at yourself. No girl, no fear girl, no pussy, all you, dolly. Change your name. You want voodoo doll to pussy hole. Dolly no beg. You hear that? Take the dollar for your name, stinking girl, and move your bumbo clot and go from here some nasty germs. When you come back, which dolly you see come a beg? Go pay your rent, what this girl? Go and go pay your bumbo clot light bill. Every time you have you look at this stress. You no come over TikTok, boy. TikTok you want no say you know TikTok. You want a pod for boy. Every minute you no come over you want in a distress, brother. If people them have problem at their yard too, them have bills for pay. If every time somebody didn't need them blood clot bills to pay, come over, go look work. Go look at work, man. Go get a pussy clot 9 to 5. Go get a 9 to 5. Get a bed to live in. Go and go get a 9 to 5. Go look at work. Image you have none. Go and go get one now. Go and go look at image. Go work feed. You go and back on YouTube. I want to prank them not clot like how them used to clot. You is a non-ambitious body boy. You come with your big bumbo clot waist man. Say you here girl ball. Babes cue the ball. Boy. The light me go suck your mother. No, we never did I help your bunny current. And you did a body where your bunny so far ago. You know you're the high money for PA. You should have called JPS to take out the blood clot meter. You come over here with the distress. What that have to do with blood clot? We need we bill every pay right now at $213. $50 light bill. Beg your thing so good. Who no beg for days, nights and weeks. When the pussy clot YouTube money there. When you see say YouTube now work for you now, come over here with the begging. Dolly go look work. Image go get a image and find a shovel. Go and go render one piece of place, pussy hole. Go and go get some bucket. Go and go get a shovel, get a bucket. Go and go mix some mortar, pussy hole. Me say $6 grand a day, $10 grand a day. Man, I get for blood clot mix matter. Go and go mix some bumbo clot matter because the whole of you take this money and drink it out, you know. Who no go buy cabana, you know. Be a Benz and be mine, you know. Who no tappy hype. Living on no means drunk, living on no fucking means pussy wall. If you don't tap this, you not go shame on yourself. Because you see it now, you don't have Benz and be man can buy gas put in them. A fuck you do. Go invest your money in a something dog shit. No, no come on and contribute be people burden. He's a part for we shoulder dog shit. We shoulder pain with no bumbo hole. Move man. Big old big belly man like you image. Image is shaped like one of the balloon them with them blow up on the long. Pussy hole go look at work. Go get a job. You is a fucking cruff. Someone no glad for when them sit there come out. So they can come cruff out it blood clot. Go look work Batty man please. You see why Batty will a fuck so hard from what here? Go look work. Go on, go back to school bitch. We don't give a fuck party. This thing need to stop. Look on the two on the big grown adult. Look like it's a real fucking hope. When the bumbo clot on the combo, he'll have got the blood clot ride. Go and sit the fuck in a one corner. Who make mobile look bad. Who go sit down, man. Who come with the blood clot heartache and pain. Who not think people on TikTok of heartache. Yo, I'm going to some blood clot. I'm going to some blood clot water. And a pussy clot sit down.
My people, me I think say where Image and Dahlia do, me I think say our is a skit series whatever you know what I mean, you want call it with them do prank something whatever, you know what I mean, because if you left and wish for them there and if you go in at the working field, you're rough, you know my people. Yeah man, because remember you have a celebrity like status, you know, but the money no back it up. You understand me? So, for them do that, you know, look at we still, you see it? Look like them never did make no bag of money still. Because me never see them splurge and go on and spend a lot. Because they look like say them expensive or big too. You understand me? But, I just say go still, them have to do what them can. Because them have each other and like say them go out, they go look nobody. So them can put them shoulders to the wheel and go do some ordinary work and just know say oh that's all I set, you know what I mean? More than fear try to keep up celebrity status or popular status and hungry. You see me?
But I feel one way in myself, you know. Nothing pussy wall. Every day I get up and got blood clot work. Dog shit. Me clock in. Pussy wall. Go clock in to dog shit. And with the bumbo clot, you don't think that money free? People have to go clock in and then good work. When them blood clot I do, and when the pussy wall can stretch out on the bumbo clot and every pussy clot they look pity party. Bumbo wall go get a 9 to 5 bumbo wall. Go get a 10 to 11. Go get a 11 to 12. Go get a 1:30 to 7:30. I don't give a fuck. Go look work pussy. Because the whole I wanna take up their money and hype up on themselves. Who no buy Haxia, who no buy Bima, who no buy every blood clot high and sitting. Who no go look for money now. Who no stop the people burden and problem pussy wall. Too big adult come in front of camera. Ooh, 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 people just sit here them. Why? People got show me out. Why? About 19 months rent no pay. Go suck on no mother. Go suck on no ma. Nobody no give a fuck. Right now if we fucking rent one pay. Dog shit. Every day you come with this blood clot begging. Go and go top out your body wall in Jamaica man ride you. Body boy. You know see it? And them thing you Jamaica can't better you know. Brother go look work and go suck out your mother. Too much hood in your mouth. Look a boy. Who no make this little begging thing get tone you know. See big stinking blood clot boy. Look like one little bitch. Hitch up round one corner you say girl I say yes. Our light bill is $15 million and who will landlord 17 months rent. Which landlord? I make one dirty bumbo hole. They enough for them place along without pay their rent. Go look work it to uno. Uno do walk listen to a blood clot uno. Which part of uno star? Uno not even two bulb of blood clot. Uno not even two car bulb. Uno not even two blood clot indicator light pussy hole. Uno move uno pussy hole and go look to work, man. Uno make work look too hard for get, man. TSTs are higher. KFC are higher. International Bakery are higher. Bumbo clot go clean some shit. Go and go collect pan garbage truck, dirty image, Batman image, so good image. Go and go look at job. Go look at J. O. B. Can I get a J? Yes, girl. Can I get a O? Yes, girl. Can I get a B? What does that spell? J. O. B. A. J. O. B. Can I get a J? Hey, can I get a O? O. Can I get a B? B. Can I get a J. O. B. E. Go look at work. Go get you a job. Yeah? That's so y'all got blood clot fine substance. Go get a machine, chop down one piece of something, go plant it out. Go and go get one shovel and go mix matter. Yeah, your blood clot girl. Bring your girl with you too. Because she look like she a fear man around a yard. Bring your girl, go get one I work them too. Cause I did a favor blood clot body. You know say I want a whole one. Take it. Image. Scrimmage. Scrimmage and voodoo doll. Voodoo doll. Okay. Scrimmage. Blood clot scrimmage. Yes! Whoops! Two. Who that two? My God. People.
You can't take the pressure, man. The pressure is getting worse.
Yeah, we keep for match fee, man. Say manpower.
I forgot keep for match fee, man. Lawyer, man. Lawyer, anything them ready so we can do our manpower and them thing that took, you know? we can't leave him out in a lawyer. That's true. You need to get one heap of thing, man, and him see it.
You are saying, Jayden, I saw here thing give him mother. You can't just say, you know what, you need to big up yourself because you win, my baby, I go win too. Why you can't just say that and move on?
No, man, I'm tell you something in life. You see, sometimes we just feel like say we alone for run over yourself. You see, some of the time we ego too high, you see, we ego too big. So I'm not really too put Yannick in a match or them things and say, yo, Yannick, come me play match or whatever. Whatever. And try to make some extra money. You see, and that's something you're working on, darling.
And when the house are losing a Jayden, that's why World Dog should come out and make him and Yannick play so much, you know, and save the house, you know. That's what World Dog should do in a chat. Him and Yannick should always come out and say, chat, we are faced with this. And the people that like, you know, but him like him want blame Yannick and him now want come to the reality say, yes, we are faced with this. He want to take out upon him baby mother.
Well, people want to tell me what you think in the comments, right? You feel like say there gonna be a time when nobody now play Real Dog, no mind, none at all. Tell me in the comment section, because as far as me see it, him there forever like Ivany them, because him know how to reinvent himself, or not really reinvent himself, but him know how to like get the crowd going. And me feel like say him live that type of life there with Yannick for the period of time where him live it. So now him a give the people them a change, because me feel like say like when it come to Ivany, when it come to World Dog, when it come to the Lion Man now, you see me, them live for the media. You see me, I say, them sell them soul when it come to the media. So them a go always do something for on top, or for in the limelight, or for no fade away in the back. If them fade away for a little while, them a go come back, them a go do whatever. Them no care what to sacrifice for their back in the media, because them know what them can achieve from that and them type of thing there. You see me? And when me say sell your soul, when I mean like them literally go sell them soul. You see me? Them just know say yo the internet or that I feed them work and them devote everything to it. Make me know what they think.
Like, come on. Like, me don't know. Are you in problem, Jayden? Are you in problem? Are you in problem? It's sad, guys. It's sad. You can't just.
We want to start add some single parents and help out him other them. We don't want only just sit down and listen to it and bring in other kinds. We want to start add some single mother in our box with the 4 or 5 penny them.
Why you not doing it?
Yo, my been out of that.
Don't just be for
Been out of that for years,
and get your follower and get your.
Well on, lawyer. Mute that now. Well on, lawyer. Remember, some been out of that for years, you know, lawyer.
Yeah, that's
just
the
up on TikTok, you know.
Yeah, that's the
been out of that for years, you know, bro. You see, so I just know we are doing fine. You see, so no boy and girl can't talk about hype me do. I remember say
we wait for the barrel from 2020 what too?
You see, bro.
So him can't talk what people fi do. Him can't tell him get fame chance fi do and him never do. So him cannot tell people what to do. Him get fame chance and he never do. So him can't tell people what fi do. And that is it. Him get fame chance. You can't tell people what fi do then for them chance. Spam roses, guys.
Mr. Blackman and Pink Flag down.
Yo, do you think?
Yeah, man. Him get fame chance and not do nothing. You can't tell people what to do with their chance.
Yeah. And to all any other TikTokers over here, if we not pay bills, we are paying for something else. Read between the lines, people. If our money is not going to be at bills, if we not buy pussy, somehow not buy that.
What am I talking about? Huh? What did you say a while ago? Chat with the spam roses chat. Spam roses. Coming now. Spam roses, guys. That don't make no sense. I don't know what that means. What that means? What that mean, guys? I rose in my pay. I'm not sure what fun. Oh, a Jayden immature. A Jayden immature word fan. No, a Jayden that. A Jayden immature word fan too. You can't go for anybody with Mercedes. So you can't go for Jayden too. You can't go for Rose too. Yeah.
So everybody over here.
Guys, spam roses.
Perfect. Very perfect. Hypocrite. Hold on, I never talk. The other day, everybody, Maya is a good girl. And today me see mount a picture me see with Drunker. Maya face upon Drunker body. And only woman in the comment section a comment pan and say, me a look, me now look. Where's the woman power behind that? So disrespectful to take Maya head and put pan a Drunker body. But nobody come and talk about the woman power. Well, claim something up on the internet. Walking around and give. What about the Drunker? Then put a female head and a Drunker body. You know how disgusting a Drunker is? But where is the woman power behind that? Look funny. But on the same one, put Maya in her ear. Maya good girl. Maya this. But let me tell you what happened in that situation. Uno fuckers now get in a Maya head and it burn uno. People that uno comment section cannot control uno don't like. Uno never get in a Maya head.
So we get one uno get in a Maya head, and you still she go propose to TJ, uno hate the girlfriend that because uno did a wait for Maya turn on her life and bring down the man. And uno not get one who want, so uno turn around and start hate the girl. Because remember, 2 weeks ago you all uno this sorry for Maya. Oh Maya not deserve this. Oh Maya not do that. Oh Maya not this. Oh Maya not that. Oh Maya not this. Oh Maya not that. Maya not deserve. But look at this now. The girl go get engaged and say yes. And from the girl say yes, that's what uno no want. Uno turn around and fling on the woman. Black the girl have name Black Queen. Black her. Black. You type too much in my comment section. You're going to make me think new. Black you. Yeah. Eh? But nobody no come and say. Everybody there click we have Maya come and say, TJ, you are a just disgusting piece of shit. You are a drunker. You are a whore. And I don't want to be with you no more. Come out of my house. Everybody did a wait for Maya come and bring down TJ to the ground. But you know what the woman do? The woman flip it on Uno and go get engaged. Now Uno don't like engagement. So Uno turn on the woman now. I call her drunker. We call the woman yamed, we call the woman all type of sitting. But guess what? Make TJ the big like a me and have a name like a me and go on like a me. You know that bring him down to the ground. And Uno say Uno can't really go for TJ because it's not really business. And when not talk about TJ, Uno not go get no view. When Uno not talk about TJ, Uno get no views. When Uno not talk about nobody else, Uno get no views. My name is the views and the topic over here. So when time we turn on the live, we now go see Maya commenting in the comment section. We now go see she come over there watch the live. She go lay down beside her man. Because Maya stand up beside her man. But we don't like that.
Hey, you see them people here, you know what I notice with them? They want to program everybody. They want to program you for you do whatever them say you to do. They want to control your life. And you see when you don't do what they want you to do, them condemn you, them say all manner of evil, them thought this, them thought that. But Maya is a girl who is confident in herself and sure in herself and sure in her man. You see me, I say, I know what she want from what she don't want. She find a good man and she lock on upon him. Every man cheat. You see me, but TJ, him have to do better because something when me hear the lion man say, him do and send to the girl, youth. Can't do them something them a youth and you have a woman when you are cheating and left no evidence. The only thing I must phone call or text. Nothing else.
You just have to pray. You just have to pray. Facts alive. Facts alive. We're not hypocrite. You know how we know we're not hypocrite? Anything we're real over here, we're not bypass it. And we don't live on a fake, we don't rest a content creator them. We don't live fake like we don't rest a content creator them. Remember me telling you. Fake. So me just put this little case for Uno. Say Uno not have no blood clot woman power over here. Uno just come together. Uno just come together and do this and do that. Come together and do this and do this. Salty. Salty. The other day, all I say salty I buy cock. You all I think salty and I bust. Salty this, salty that. And now me see all I accept back salty because she come up and stream with people. So no accept people where people accept. You don't have a mind on own over yourself. Me soon no talk bad about the girl. I know you all on in a blood clot box. Too, the girl start playing match with people.
The whole arm in a box, I say, big up yourself. Why you never have that same energy? Big sour grows, salty, sour power. Oh, you never have woman power when she a call Rose that. Fatter slobo, fatter power. You're big or fat, you this and that. Where was the woman power behind that? Where was the woman power behind that? Hug, all this, all that. Where was the woman power we want to claim so we don't have? No, but me just see your mother suck cock. And that me see your mother do. Yes. Come on from my life now. Have a wonderful night. You work for the this day. Yes. Yes. As me there say. So, let me ask you the one more thing now. So what's the difference? Me say, me I walk and left everything and left yasso because my kid yasso. What is the difference now by this man throwing out apple out of house with a 2-month-old baby? But me say me cheat, I'm willing to walk and left everything. And that me say no. Me cheat, willing to walk and left everything and the one hand come for me. But where is the woman power? When time on claim so no love apple. We just love apple for you give. And I love what she can come give. But where is the woman power behind that? Where is it? No woman power never behind that. Where was the woman power behind that? Where was the 4-day talk about apple to get justice? Where? We never see nobody come and say, oh God, the little baby don't have nowhere to sleep. Or where the little baby I go, or the little baby I go this, or the little baby I go that, or this. You know why? Nobody never really feed into apple story. And everybody are feed into mine. So all of uno girl we make story about this and that and that and that. Uno live worse than blood clot that. So when me see uno come, I want to make uno look a 2-cent comment. Because if uno did have to pay for it, no for no more to the blood clot lock. If uno did have to pay for comment on blood clot TikTok, no for uno blood clot more to the lock. Uno would see a pussy clot thing. Because uno no like give away nothing. Uno don't like give away sink. So uno just come and just make uno comment, build no video and go on like oh now go on. Uno don't have no value holding and nobody life. You hear me? Because this is just 4-day talk. But the same energy we want to have for me, I same energy we want to have for everybody. And most of you are hypocrite. You don't know half or nothing. But you come and pick side. You see when you pick on the side, you just run with the side what you pick. So when you come and you say, woman power, you stand up back at every blood clot female and a pit pipe with story, or one you can go get money off her, or one you can go get views off her, or one you can go get taps off her, or one you can go build up on the art me off her. One you not talk, you talk from the art and stand up behind people in a real life. Fool no day I go come, you know. Fool no day I go come. And see when fool no day come, and me go and sit down here so and turn up. I'm going to come. I'm going to make your life story and mean nothing to me. Because what you are going in your life with your people and with all your sports and everything, now will no value upon my life. You hear me? Yes, I saw me look on it. So me just look on it and say, Uno is a bunch of hypocrite. Yeah, hypocrite. Yeah, alright. The other day, a girl get beat up today, dragged down the hill. thump in her face, drag in her face. Who come and talk about it? Who come and talk about it? Such man. In come live, he explain. The next girl come live and explain. And disrespect the next girl. Read between lines. Such man come live, the girl go live, then go live again, then alter. Me not see Tory go nowhere. Nowhere we not see Tory go. You know, pick and choose who over here so you want to beat. The Beyonce situation. You see me? Again. Where is the power behind Diamond? When time all I want to say Diamond buy cock, Diamond workless, Diamond left got town go do clothes. Where all of the woman power want to come and say, pick up the Diamond and no claim so no love Diamond. Where is it? Where is the woman power want to come and beat Diamond? When you say Diamond buy cock, me don't see no cancel go on. I don't see no cancelling go on.
I never nothing to do with you. I want to look a supporter them where they come vent to me about some bag of things, you see me? I'm going to show you. But I decide say, you know what, it never makes sense, me show you.
Alright, the people, so it look like the TJ have some type of, you know what I mean, thing where if him put it out there, the lion man are gonna look bad, or the female are gonna look bad in the lion man eyes. So him a go cut out the female. Me don't know who, you know what I mean, I go look bad if TJ met the lion man. Or I think him say him send it to the lion man. So me don't know what I try do, if it is a like a intimidation like tactic or what, because the lion man did not bring him down, you know, when it come to Maya and him cheating or something, you know. So maybe him send it to the lion man and say, yo, look on this. Yeah, go look bad if me put this out in the public. So I feel like that because TJ did say him done with the lion man. You see me, I say him done with him. I think him said, me not 100% sure. Allegedly him saying they done with the lion man. You see me, I say, so if you see me, I know on screen with the lion man, knowing TJ, me feel like see some kind of intimidation or go on like, yo, you saw you bring me down and look where me have and can bring you down or make you look bad in the media. You see me? Make watch someone.
You see me?
How me do? What's up with me though?
No, I would want your friend them. She named Weed Baby. You can't make sure know me have the whole conversation same way. It's just that me you know wish for disclose it, you see me? But it just fuck up commissary in the comments at this me. So I show you the whole thing, cause I did something serious. I still have everything. You see it? So I know through my and send the message them, you probably have prayer say, yo, come see something, I wake up and see something. Nothing at all to do with you, none at all, bro. So nobody go overthink it. And me just realize, say, yo, here, you know, say, no make no sense, me show you this, because it's not going to make one girl. You see me? But I some deep things to send me, bro. Some deep things. Yes, I just that. Say never nothing at all for you. You know, for over. Me can still show you, but me just, it don't make no sense. Yeah?
I mix up.
No, I don't know if I'm a mix up. Well, I don't consider that as something more. No, more to consider that as a mix up. And for the people, no, it even makes sense. I try to clear my name about that. Come here, you say, oh, me this and me, you know, people in box, I cuss them like, you know, even makes sense. I just that. I just have to go and take one argument till it done. But anyway, yeah, so nobody overthink nothing, bro. She will come out. No, the person probably there live right now. As what I say, I can call her name. She named Weed Baby. She more than like to change her name or whatever, but if you understand, say I have everything same way. And the reason why I'm sending it to you is because me know you never ever go on talk about that. Worse because of your friend. So you would bring it up. But then again, I say, you know what, I'm going to delete it because she said she did fear for her life why she never said nothing. So I say, you know what, I'm just allow it. I'm just try to show you how people stay. You see me? Yes, I just that. Anyway, look more.
My friend, fear for your life, fear for your life. What she doing? I'm putting gas on, putting it up there.
TJ, resend them, TJ. Hey, bad girl, I bright and think. About 5,000 US for your pump. You'll be right. You think like. You're sexy, go young. You'll be right in the blood clot, bro. Then, I won't ever get out the phone of pump so. I want a phone of pump so. I want a phone of pump so that. The glue. Glue my blood. Just want to get out of my life.
Business. I don't care. All of a sudden, Jayden a savior. All of a sudden, Jayden standing with woman. Jayden empowering woman. All of a sudden. Couple weeks ago, you humiliate your wife. Couple weeks ago, on social media, what upset now and outraged World Dog cheat pan Yannick and no one dig hole and bury World Dog. All of a sudden, don't misinterpret my point. I'm not standing with a cheater. I'm just saying that you guys are hypocrites. You are one-sided and you're full of double standard. You are hypocrites. Because where was this energy when Jayden did a go on with the things that I'm going along with? Where was this energy? Where was this energy? Why is it that uno same people will realize now, say, the principle of cheating is wrong and him should have never mash up him home? Why the same people them will know, say, them have integrity and principle then? Why they never have no integrity and principle when no one Fabi figure out with married man? Remember the whole on the other day, did want Fabi and Jayden to get back together and them.
Alright, my people, so this what I love to say about this thing, yeah. See, with the lion, man. Alright, watch out. You have some people, you know, who in some position where the position where them in, you have to be terrible. You see me? And you have to move a certain type of way. So people now go take you as genuine most of the time. You see me? And them not think you're capable of certain things where you do, like to be genuine, you know, capable of that, and to really look out for your person, you know, capable of that, because you always look clout and something. You have some people who genuinely them care, but if them care too much, you know what I mean, people are going to take disadvantage of them. And then when you look on the other hand, you know, more people, some of the time you have them where them act a certain type of way and them just do a few things to kind of show themselves in a good light. So you don't know who to believe genuine over TikTok when them do certain things. Because you see, when you have money, my people, that are gonna be the least of things where you can give to a person. You see me I say enough people take money as the world. You see me I say because it's essential to living. So when a person have money, the simplest thing him can give her some money. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think.
Said them I go on date and you guys were all for it. Nobody gave a flying F-U-C-K that the boy was still married to Rosie. Nobody gave a F-U-C-K about how Rosie felt. That little girl has come into the community and she has not done not one of you all anything on the media. She has not done anything to any of you guys on the media. She has not even disrespected Jayden on the media up to the day. And what I do, when you criticize her, she can't talk. When you criticize her, she ugly. Criticize her, she ugly with makeup. When you criticize her, she should have bask in her makeup and bring down the girl and tear down her self-esteem. Why? Because Jayden set the platform for to tear down our self-esteem and work with it. And just like the same way, Jayden set the platform for to empower Yannick and work with it. And anything Jayden said tomorrow, that's not gonna work with it. Suck back your mother, Cash, darling. Suck back your mother. That is your culture. Suck back your mother, bitch. I don't care. Suck back your big stinking dirty mama. I don't care, darling. See him so. You want me suck my mother, go suck out a big stinking mama to bitch. Go dive and boom flick and the big stinking nasty mama. I do not care. Yes, Junko. So if you feel like say you're gonna come and so come tell me suck my mama piece and me speak English, I'm frightened for you. Boom for cartwheel and dive and chuck off in your big stinking nasty mama front. And that you need for done. I don't care. When you full of too much biasness and as soon as me come for you, on a favorite, when you feel like when you come run up in a bomber clock this now, run up in a this. Run up in a this and see if my mouth left up under my mama. My mouth not left up under my mama. My mouth no left up under my mama. Make a restart the live too. I don't stand with World Dog. I'm against what he has done. He has disrespected the woman who bring him a child into this world, knowing that him also share another child with her that is not his biological child, but that child know him as a father, and he should have known that he has to protect his family and respect his family, and him shouldn't. I can't tell him what to do with the young girl. I can't tell him not to have no relationship, but him shouldn't go about things the way him go about it. Right? Suck your mother right back, darling. Right? Now, with all that being said, however, why should the young man lose his salary? Why social media feel like they need to garner support to cancel him? My thing is, why isn't Jayden cancelled? Why isn't Destiny cancelled? Why isn't Shibada cancelled? Why isn't all the people who have gone up into women, disrespect women and children, why aren't they cancelled? That's all I'm asking. And I'm going to ask you again, Jamaica, since you are so hot and you are defending a principle, because it's principle you're defending, right? And I'm defending the principle too. Hold on though, just a minute. Just a minute. When there was no principle though, when no wanted Jayden the other day to go out with Fabi. Remember said Jayden is a married man, and as a married man, he would have committed adultery if he got deal with Fabi. But you guys were so excited about it. You guys were cheering it on because when it come on to Jayden cheating and disrespecting women, it is entertainment. But whenever it comes on to World Dog or anybody else disrespecting women, all of a sudden it is reality. Wonder if anybody's seeing what I'm talking about. Anybody seeing what I talk about? You soon take me down. Darling, you can't take me down. You know why you can't take me down? You never put me up. See who put me up there. The Most High God. Promotion come from God. Darling, you can never take me down. You can never ever take me down because guess what? I only no work with me. Only no work with me and you never put me up. So who don't put me up cannot take me down. You are not Jesus. You are not the Most High God. So we'll and come again, darling. Enough time when I want to lock down my mouth, so I can't lock down my mouth. Me if you leave people business alone, so why you the over your so do? Remember, people business they hear me attack and you run, come up in the live stream and drop a comment. So if me if you leave people business alone, what about you?
That's a lie. The video, the video been there on Twitter from Sunday. You know the reason why nobody don't acknowledge the video? Because Jayden and Yannick been have them something go on, right? So the video on Twitter from Sunday, Monday, I post the video Monday when I done see it over Twitter. And then when me post it now, all hell break loose. Like it's not about viral, they're on the media already. Then them I say, basically I just wake up now, receive the video when I say Mountain shall reach out this and I try to say me post the video for your video go viral, show me I need the bus. So then I say me show you I need the bus already.
That.
What me show you I need the bus? Screen and say I'm show you I need the bus.
No, but me never show you under the bus. Me just simple say Mountain bro, you could have reached out to me. Me never know say the video over Twitter already now. It's just that you show me the video with your logo / cross it. Is that the video me get from the? So she said to me, say, you have Mountain number? Me say, no, me not have it. Me change my number, but I can reach him on Instagram, me answer you. She said, me want beg him take down the video for me, please. So me say to her, say, reach him on Instagram, he gonna make it, me gonna take it down because him not hard. He will help you take it down. She said to me, say, it don't make no sense neither because it gone viral, you know. What happened? No, man, don't block him, man. Make him talk.
You know, see, she talk to the guy. Why somebody will do that and she talk to him? That make no sense.
No, I block him, get blocked.
She deal with him. You just tell somebody to mute him, so how would somebody block him now?
I never throw him under the bus or nothing at all.
But every Mountain know them slice every video. Why the hell you la come now? You go come say your ear when she a say Mountain could have wait in there.
No, alright. Remember, you know, me never know say the video did over Twitter ready. As when they call me, she said to me, say, you have Mountain number? I said, no, I change my number. She said,
alright, my people, so you are going in. Mountain saying I want next thing, I think the same live, or him click him live to say the same. Him say, you see from him confront she about she and the Lion Man friendship, like him tell her, say, yo, me feel like say you and the Lion Man friendship, it was not genuine friendship, because if it was genuine, uno that look past on the differences and be back friends. Himself and him said that to Shay must block it. No, I not block him. Me no remember what him say Shay do, but Shay must unfollow him or something like that. You see me? So from that him sister boy, you know what I mean, she not in him whatever. You see it, so that's why she have a problem with the video him put up with the. So watch out my people, we just watch a bit more and then me I go in it. Me can share that video there, but right now this too long, you know what I mean? Me know make it go no longer. So we just watch some more of this and then, or maybe me just put that clip there. Me just end this here so and put that clip there.
hey, I want to reach out to him because one video did over Twitter and him post it and it got viral. No, she never said no about no Twitter. She said him have one video on him page and it gone viral. Everybody have it now. I'm said to her, I said, try reach to him on Instagram, him would answer you. And he will take it down too. And that me said to her, I mistake them block your boys. Mistake to her say, yeah, if you reach out to him, he will take it down. Because me know him say me take it down for you. She said to me, say, it don't make no sense here now, because me I hear something me see over it, so Mountain. So you have said post on Twitter. Remember she never tell me said post on Twitter, you know.
I make my video and say, yo, Shay, I feel that Jayden friendship they fake. Because I couldn't have a real friendship, and as you and the youth have something, you come talk all of them bad things here about him. I feel they have a fake friendship because you could have real and you could have solved it. And from I say that about you, I realize say, yo, you cut me off. Nothing wrong, you know, because nothing wrong if you cut me off, fine. We grow together, we're not brother and sister. You can cut me off. See? When I realize if I say that, you have me off a way. You see me, it's like you don't want people for telling the truth. But we can't be friends and we can't tell you the truth.